cruising along at 7.5 k's per hour. The 40 foot 1610 Chickpea. I'll show you some pro ploughing in a minute. But this thing slips a lot. See there? 6%. That's just driving. That's still a fair bit of slip just from driving. And yeah, when you take a corner, it usually gets up to about 30% of some sort. Just some ridiculous amount. And over there, oh, running errors. Over there, it's 20, something or other. Yeah, 10th gear. That's what I represent. My papa says to run a bit faster, but I say no. Because them leads, they already have trouble trying to get out with 10th gear. Anyway, fuck yeah. Yeah, just gotta fix you up. So. Struggles to pull it up more. When I say pro ploughing, I mean pro ploughing for myself. Because literally I haven't been on this for long. That's one. Yeah, it is like 30, 40 odd years old. It was in the 1980s, it's like this. It's done the year 1610, 40 feet. Going up again. That's locked in, and that will be good for now. Yeah. So apparently I can use 43 litres an hour, which is a lot, considering it's got a, yeah, see ya.